Otasansan rédíò and TV.
ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá kan ló ní inú ẹni kì í dùn ká pa mọ́ra, bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ míì ní yiniyini kẹ́ni lè ṣèmí. ìdí rẹ̀ ò tí gbajúgbajà òṣèrébìnrin ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà Funke Akindele ó ti jáde ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó ti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà nílẹ̀ yìí àti lókè òkun lórí àṣeyọrí sinimá tó pe àkọlé rẹ̀ ní A Tribe Called Judah, ẹ̀yà Júdà, sinimá tuntun tí Funke Akindele tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé jáde tí ó ti di wíwò káàkiri sinimá lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àti lórílẹ̀-èdè Ghana tó fi mọ́ àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè míì lágbàńlá ayé. ẹ̀yà Júdà, sinimá tó ń milẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, sinimá tó ń mìgboro. Funke Akindele ti wá sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni Funke Akindele sọ? ọ̀rọ̀ dúpẹ́ wo ló fi síta? àwọn wo ni Funke Akindele ló dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn? ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́rọ̀ látẹnu olóríire gbajúgbajà òṣèrébìnrin Funke Akindele. ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́ ohun tó sọ. ó yá, ẹ jẹ́ á jọ gbọ́.
Hello everyone. Excited? Yes, I am. I've had an absolutely incredible first Friday of 2024. The success of my film, A Tribe Called Judah, has been surreal. I've received a lot of messages, well wishes, phone calls to celebrate the success. Thank you, everyone. I would like to take a moment to send my heartfelt thank you to the people who made this accomplishment possible. Firstly, I want to say a big thank you to God Almighty for giving me the grace to achieve this success. I dedicate the success of this film to my late mom, Dr. R.B. Adebanjo Akindele. She raised a queen. I wish she was here today to see all this, but I thank God for everything, and I'm sure she's smiling down wherever she is, and she's saying, Funke, I'm proud of you. May our soul continue to rest in perfect peace. There will be no 1 billion naira without you, my incredible fans. The Funke Akindele fans, the Jennifer fans. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Well done. You all have been supporting me over the years, and you still push me to be better. God bless you all. I see all the comments. I see all the reposts. I appreciate. This is for you. It's our win. A massive thank you to the cast and crew of A Tribe Called Judah. From day one, they understood the assignment, and even now, they've remained committed to the cause. They've gone over and beyond to ensure that this project reaches its potential. I say a big thank you to you guys. I love you all. I appreciate you all. I want to say a big thank you to my family, friends, loved ones, my siblings. I love you guys. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for standing by me all through. I love you. And to my industry elders, colleagues, musicians, comedians, influencers, all the celebrities, thank you. Thank you for taking our turns to support me in various forms. I truly appreciate all you did, especially the meet and greet, the merchandise giveaway. Wow, you guys killed it. Thank you so much. I want to say a big thank you to my distributors, Film One, especially the MD, Mr. Moses Babatope, who has been so supportive. Thank you, Ladu and Victoria. You girls rock. Yes, the girls in Film One. I practically interacted with them day and night to ensure that our distribution plan stayed on track. A massive thank you to the exhibitors in Nigeria and Ghana. Thank you for supporting this project. You guys did a great job. I truly appreciate you all. Cinemas are critical to the continued growth of our industry. This monumental achievement is a testament to the dedication and hard work of our phenomenal Funke Akindele network fan team. To my great country, Nigeria, this achievement is a testament to the fact that we all are achievers in our own rights. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless us all.